Hello students, today we are here to discuss about the 2D and 3D figures. First of all, I am going to tell you what is the difference between a 2D and a 3D figures. 2D figures which are having only two dimensions, as the name suggests you, 2D, two dimension, which are having only two dimensions, length and breadth. And now come to the topic 3D. 3D means three-dimensional. Three-dimensional means the figure which is having a three-dimensional like the length, breadth and height. For examples, as you are watching my video and sitting in a room, it is the example of a cuboid. And cuboid is a very good example of a 3D figure because it's this room in which you are all are sitting. It is having a length, breadth and height. So now, here am I having some solid figures which are the examples of a 3D figures. Now first come to the solid figure which is this is in a form of a cube. You can see all faces are equal. This is a cube. As you know, in your daily uses also you use the cube dice which is in a form of cube. So it is a cube. You can see all the faces are in a form of square. This is an example of a cube. Like the same way, this is an example of a cuboid because it is having a length, breadth and this is the height. So this is an example of a cuboid and this is an example of a cube. Solid figures are these, and a very good example is in which room you are sitting. The same way, it is your cylinder. In daily use, you can use the water bottle that is in a form of a cylinder. So it is a cylinder. You can see it. And other two one are, this is your sphere. This is a sphere and the half of sphere is we call the hemisphere. So this is a hemisphere. Apart from all these figures, now come to the other 3D figures which are in a form of a prism and pyramid. So here I am having few examples of prism and pyramid. So now you can see this is we call the pyramid and this we call this solid figure is your prism. So how you distinguish between these two desks? This is the man said that it is a pyramid and this is a prism. So first of all I am going to tell you the difference between a prism, pyramid and prism. In a pyramid you can see the faces. The faces in a form of a triangle. Now you see these all four faces are in a form of triangle. And in a prism, all these faces you can see in a form of a rectangle. As you can see in this also, this is also an example of a prism. So all the faces are, you can see, in a form of rectangle. So now what about these two both are the prism. So how I distinguish what their other names are, what are the names of these figures? So you can see this is how many faces? The sides triangle. This is a triangle and this is also a triangle. So this is a triangular prism. It is your triangular prism. As you can say, base of this prism is in a form of a 1, 2, 3, 4 pentagon. It is a pentagon because 5 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon and this is also pentagon. When the two pentagons edges are joined togetherly, then we get a prism. So the name of this is a pentagonal prism. And the joining is in the form of rectangle. So this is your pentagonal prism. And now come to this. This is your cuboid. This is also the example of cuboid, or you can say the prism also, because how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides in a form of a rectangle or square. So square is that. So this is your, we call a cuboid, and other name is a square prism. You can set it in a cuboid and a square prism also because the two faces are in a form of a square. Now, see this figure. What is that? All faces are in a form of triangle. Now come to the base. Its base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the name of this pyramid is pentagonal pyramid. As the name suggests, the base, you will see the base, then count the number of faces, then you get it that it is a pyramid or prism. When you see the face, you get it is a prism or pyramid, and count the number of faces according to the name we said it. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 faces are there at a base, so it is a pentagonal pyramid. So when we will see the figures, then we will see edge, vertices and face. Now come to this figure. As I said it is a pentagonal prism. Now we will count the number of faces. Number of faces when we will count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 faces are there. 6 faces. Now come to the point of edge. So now we will count the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 edges are there of this figure. And now come to the point vertices. We will count the vertices of this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the vertices and 6 vertices. So vertices, like this we can count the face vertices of any figure. Now a scientist named Leonhard Euler have discovered a very good relationship between the face, vertices and edge, and this relationship we call is a Euler formula. This formula we call the Euler formula. Very important formula is that this formula will tell us about the relationship between face, vertices and edges, and the formula is face plus vertices minus edge is equals to 2. Verification में तो किसी की. Now, as we discuss the face, vertices and edges of this pentagonal pyramid, first of all we will write the faces of how many faces it is having? 6 faces are it is having. And now vertices, 6 vertices it is having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And edges it is having 10. So now we will verify this formula using all these using the Euler formula. Now put it here. Faces are 6, vertices are also 6, and edges are 10. Then it is 12 minus 10, and this is 2. It means it is correct. So by using the Euler formula, you also can verify any figures, vertices and edges. Thank you.